Welcome to KV's Plants and Orchids. You are seeing my Hoya pubicalis plant and its blooms. They are very beautiful and the petals are of velvety type. Once it fully blooms, it looks like a ball. It's a very young plant. I bought in January and it has bloomed. This is the second time it is blooming for me. It has one more flower bunches. It has not, see, you could see the buds. These are the buds. It will bloom in 1 or 2 days. When it blooms, it looks like this. Buds look like that. It is an epiphytic family. Epiphyte means it is like orchids. It lives in the forest, on the trees and the rock crevices. It cannot take food from the potting soil. Mostly it takes from the atmosphere. That is why the whole plant has lot of aerial roots. You could say small aerial roots, and the leaves, through the leaves also it takes the nutrition it needs. I will give the care of Hoya plant. You for sunlight requirements, should not keep it in direct sunlight. It needs sunlight, but indirect sunlight. It is an indoor plant also. If nearby the window you can keep it, it will flower for you. If the conditions are good, it will flower easily, like in my case, because my garden conditions, they like, I think it flowered easily. Some people I have come across people saying it took them 3-4 years for it to flower. And watering, you have to water only once a day. It doesn't like soggy soil, it likes porous soil, so that it's only for the fixing of the root you need. Other than that, it doesn't need any soil mixture. Fertilizing, you fertilize with organic fertilizer, that too on the potting mixture, not on the plant, because the plant is like a succulent type also, so it can spoil the leaves. So be careful. But while watering, if some water falls on the leaves, nothing will happen. Otherwise, you give the fertilizer on the potting mixture only. And one more thing you have to be careful is this is the peduncle on which the flower appears. It is called peduncle, and after the flowers are gone, you should not remove it, because Hoya has the habit of flowering from the same peduncle. See, this is an old peduncle. This is the first time when it flowered, it was like that. There it flowered, I didn't remove it, and in future there is a possibility of getting flowers from the same peduncle. That is one thing you have to be very careful. And propagation is, you can cut the plant. See, it's a vining plant. Nearby the nodes, roots appears, so you can cut and keep in porous mixture like perlite and coal and little bit of fiber. Those things you can make new plant. I haven't propagated it, because whenever I am thinking of propagation, I see some flower buds appearing. See, now also flowers, that small flowers appear. It takes 2-3 months for it to become like this. There was one more peduncle somewhere here. So you can, propagation is, that is the only way of propagating. The seeds I don't know seeds will come or not. I haven't seen any seeds. Last time no seeds have come, and it has a little bit of fragrance also, not very fantastic like dewy, but it has some fragrance. Hope you like this video about Hoya pubicalis. If you like the video, press the like button. Thank you for watching.